If you're looking for an AI tool that can generate high quality images and even help with AI video creation, seaart.ai is one of the platforms getting a lot of attention right now. But the real question is it actually worth using or just another overhyped AI tool? Let's break it down quickly. What is seaart.ai? seaart.ai is an AI powered creative platform that focuses mainly on image generation, but also offers tools for AI video generation, style editing, and model based creation. It works by using text prompts. You type what you want, and the AI generates visuals based on your description. It is designed for content creators, designers, YouTubers, and marketers. Key features. First, the AI image generator. This is the strongest feature. It creates highly detailed artwork in different styles like realistic, anime, fantasy, and more. Second, it has AI models and community styles, meaning you can use or remix styles created by other users. Third, the AI video tools. While not as advanced as dedicated video platforms, it can still generate short animated clips and visual sequences. It also includes prompt based editing, image upscaling, style transformation tools. Overall, it's a pretty flexible creative toolkit in one platform. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to use for beginners, high quality AI image results, free plan available, large community of shared models. Cons: of course, nothing is perfect and it has some downsides. AI video tools are still limited. Some features require credits or paid access. Results depend heavily on prompt quality. And this is like any other AI. Pricing and access. seaart AI offers a free plan with limited credits and paid options for more generation power and faster processing. It's affordable compared to many premium AI tools. Final verdict and conclusion. So is seaart AI worth it? The answer is yes, especially if your main focus is AI image generation and creative content creation. It is not the most powerful AI video tool yet, but for images and design work, it's definitely a strong option. If you are a content creator, it's worth trying the free version first. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.